There are many YouTube channels that generate millions of views only because of shorts. Today we are going to make similar YouTube channel using AI. I will show you step by step how to do research, get ideas, choose a name, create a channel logo and banner, edit and post. First, we need to do research on what type of shorts are getting so many views. You can choose a niche based on what you prefer. For example, football, basketball or anything else you are interested in and have millions of views on YouTube. At this time there are many channels that make shorts from podcasts and get millions of views. The most popular is the Joe Rogan podcast, but there is a podcast called Whatever that is getting millions of views. For example, channel Manowar is doing shorts from this podcast and he has 329 million views on this channel, so I think this will be a better option. There is also a little bit less competition. Our channel will be focusing on clips from podcast, mostly from Whatever podcast, but we can do also clips from another podcast, so we will choose neutral name for this channel. Now that we know what our channel will be about, we need to go on ChatGPT and ask for the channel name. I will ask him to give me 20 YouTube channel names for shorts about podcast. I will choose one of them and create a new YouTube channel. For the channel graphics you can use Leonardo.AI and generate some cool logos and banners for free. You can also choose what type of style it will have. After the AI generates a logo that you like, you can download it and export it to your YouTube channel. Before I export this logo, I will make some little changes. Make a banner in Photoshop and upload everything to my channel. If you don't have Photoshop, you can use Canva for free. You don't need to make a professional logo and banner, just make it simple and nice. When we have everything done on our channel, you can include some keywords to help people find your channel. If you don't know what keywords will be best for your channel, you can use vidIQ. They will show you the most searched keywords. It will be good when you add keywords under the video also, before you upload your video. Keywords will make your video easier to find. You can also check keywords from other creators. Get back to the most important step. Make your first video using AI. So as I said before, we will focus on Whatever podcast first. We need to look at what is the most popular podcast here. After we find the video, we will go to Opus.pro. This AI will automatically choose the best parts of the video and make clips of them. It also adds subtitles. This is amazing, you can generate hundreds of videos in just a few moments. Just copy the YouTube link, drop it at Opus and get clips for free. But be careful, you can upload only 3-hour-long videos, because it is still in beta. You will need to wait a few minutes, but after the clips are ready, you will get 10 clips that you can use as a 10 YouTube shorts. This will also give you a title for the video, so everything you need to do is upload that short and start getting viral. Okay, so now we have everything done. There are some last steps before our video goes viral. So first we need to upload a video to our YouTube channel. We will use vidIQ for keywords or ChatGPT. After we add some of the best keyword options, we also need to add hashtag shorts in the descriptions. So our video will be uploaded as a short. We will also add descriptions by vidIQ for the 3 points that we have. Now upload the video and wait for the views. Good luck sir, I hope you will get monetized in a few days or months. Just keep going and be patient. I will continue to upload videos on this channel and I will share the 7-day results with you. That's all for this video. I hope this video helped you, and you will get thousands or millions of views on your YouTube channel. I hope one day it will generate you a lot of money. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I will see you again very soon.